OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. Did you know that OneCNC provides a feature in which you can quickly identify duplicate and overlapping geometry? This comes in very handy when you're using geometry that was created in another CAD system. Let me give you an example. I'm going to hit the spacebar twice to quickly go to a CAD view, and up at the top of the screen, I'm going to select our Smart Selection tool. Within Smart Selection, I'm going to select Duplicate Entities, and by that, OneCNC automatically identifies the duplicate geometry. I'm now also going to select Overlapping Entities, and just like that, OneCNC has selected that geometry. Once I click OK, I can simply hit the Delete key on the keyboard, and now the geometry is clean without any duplicates or overlapping geometry. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.